Guys, I just came up a couple towns down Cape, a little further, a town of Dennis, Mass. They do a little car show here on Saturday evenings. I'm a little early, but there's a couple rolling in already. Hopefully there's something cool to look at. That thing's kind of cool. Nice little lightning there. Little T-Bird down from New Hampshire. Look at that old Ford. That's cool. It's a nice cruiser right there. Nice little Z28. Yeah, I like this car show. It's a nice little ride to bring the scooter over to. Just a quick buzz up the highway. See, I think my father and a couple of his buddies are going to show up. He's got a beautiful soft-tail Deuce. He got rid of the timing chains and put solid gears on it. Baker 6-speed transmission. He's got that thing running pretty nice. And still just a little early here tonight. One thing about getting to these early, you get to watch the machines roll in. This thing's looking pretty sick. What a cool little Ranchero. Look at that. Very simple. Wow, is that sharp. I know a Mopar guy. Little early tech right there. Always like the tail lights on those old Galaxies. Oh, 57 pan. That is cool.
I'm a couple of years older than that myself. Yeah, it's one of the prettiest engines they had, I think. That's the knucklehead. Yeah, it's nice.
Tell you that very simply, we ask you please do not touch, do not sit, do not lean against these vehicles. This is because some have expensive paint jobs. And we have a baby stroller, take a baby stroller, park at one end of the leash. In about 10 minutes, I'm going to show you it goes to, you get a token. This token is good for a free ice cream from our Good Humor ice cream truck over there. Okay, so we'll be doing that. That's what you're going to have to do. We'll do that in about 10 minutes. Okay, about 10 minutes from now. So.
Oh, I love those old Galaxies. What a pretty car. Hey, remember that car? Oh, look at that Shelby. That is beautiful. Alright, here comes my dad.
We'll give you the information about the show right then and there. So you get down into a 386 a
Real nice paint
you want to
job
go
on
that
this.
left on Route 38, all right? Okay.
Very
All
nice.
right, now it's time to play television theme trivia. Okay? All right, Eric.
That's what I'd call a cream puff.
All right. Now, here is the theme. You gotta come up and give me the name of the show.
I gotta get a picture of this.
The Ferguson would have been the one. I would have liked that one.
When I moved down here,
Remember this one, guys? Alright, you don't see those anymore. Probably a reason why.
Oh, yeah. Trivia things, okay? And what we're going to do, and I'm going to remind you how we do this. We play a television theme, and if you know what that television theme is, you got to come up here. So anyway.
Here's a shifter.
not too bad. Step back.